Okay, let's begin by entering YouTube. And the first thing we want to do is access our playlist and subscription guide. So let's take a look for our playlist first. Okay, Google Task List, Chemistry Video Playlist, Math Video Playlist, PBS Nova Documentaries. Anything you like, any video you liked is actually part of your liked playlist. Watch Later is part of your playlist, so you can see all your playlists right here. And now if you'd like to find subscriptions, you can go down and you can see a list of my subscriptions. This is for my school account, Breakthrough Basketball, all different things. So here are the subscriptions that you can access. They'll be by the side, and your playlist library will also be by the side. Again, I'm at the home. Okay. Now let's say you would like to organize a playlist. So let's pick a playlist that I have here. We'll click Google Task List. So here's a playlist of mine, and let's say you want to organize this playlist and edit it. To edit the playlist, I simply press Edit, and here we are. I can add a description. This is a Google Task List playlist. I actually have more videos than this. You can also edit. You can also rearrange the video. So I can take this one, add it to the top. I can take this one, add it over here. I can actually change thumbnails. I could set this as the thumbnail. Excuse me. I could actually set Google Drawings as the thumbnail. Set as playlist thumbnail. You can basically organize it any way you like. Now you can also share this playlist with others. Now if I want to share this playlist, I simply go to Share. Okay. And you can share it through a number of different social media, from Facebook to Twitter to Google+. You can embed it, which code would be given here. You can take this and embed it to a Google site, and email. If you have a Google group or something like that, you can email this, or you could email this to students. Email it to myself at gmail.com. Google playlist, and then I'll send this email, and then the email has been sent. And if you want more playlist settings, here they are. Now these are just, I'm gonna go back to the home page, and at the library you see all of my playlists. Now let's say I want to save a different playlist from somebody else. Let's say we do here math playlist. And now let's say I want to save somebody else's math playlist. Scroll down. We can take a look at the famous Khan Academy
of algebra. I wanted to get.
We'll pause this. And if I want to save this playlist, this is somebody else's, right? This is Khan Academy. I go right here to the right. It says Save Playlist. I click it. Check down here. It says Add it to Library. We go to our home page. And you can see right at the top, I have saved somebody else's playlist.